Hi, my name is Miss Collins, and this is Artistic Anatomy with Coloring Pencils for Beginners. This course is great for students who love to draw, but they also have some interest in anatomy. So each week, students will log into Google Classroom where they will find a lesson on the current system that we're studying at that time. So, for example, week 2, we're learning about the respiratory system. So, they will be provided a video lesson and then 4 to 5 assignments to work on. Those could be making a lung out of balloons in a water bottle, or drawing the respiratory system and labeling it, and some interactive online assessments for fun. Week 1, we're going to focus on the overall systems and a heart diagram. Week 2, respiratory system, brain, and the nervous system. Week 3, digestive system and the eye. Week 4, the ear and our teeth. And week 5, the hair follicle, sinus cavity. And week 6, skeletal muscles and the skeletal system. And as you can see, here's a few student examples. Thank you so much.